How to add feed, gadget, widget, layout on your website or blog on Blogger. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to blogger.com. This is the dashboard as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click on layout right here and then scroll down or choose any place on your website that you want to add it to. I'm gonna choose sidebar bottom and click on add the gadget and then scroll down and click on feed RSS. As you can see, you can add title and fill those informations if you want, then click continue. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.